In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list and sell courses on Wix in a step-by-step fashion. First, we need to get started by visiting wix.com and logging into your account. Once you're logged in, head over to the section where you can manage your site by clicking on Edit Site. This is essential as it opens up the website where you're planning to sell your courses, allowing you to make any necessary adjustments. Once inside your selected site, it's crucial to have Wix stores installed. This feature is necessary if you're planning to sell any physical products, and for course sales management, Wix Online Programs or Wix Video should also be installed. These applications will be instrumental in handling the sales and delivery of your courses. Next, let's set up a dedicated course page. Navigate to your dashboard, then Site and Pages, where you'll click on Plus Add Page. Here, you can name your page something like Online Courses or Learn with Us. Once named, consider adding a course section or course gallery to prominently display all your offerings. This will ensure your potential students can quickly see and understand what courses are available. With your course page set up, it's time to delve into store pages from the menu. This is your gateway to all products-related actions. Click on the product page followed by Manage Products. In the dashboard, go to Store Products and click on Plus New Product. Here's where you choose what you're selling. For digital products, select Digital Product or choose Service Program for live classes or memberships. Now, you'll enter critical course information starting with your course name. Something like Mastering Digital Marketing could be Apartment. Create a compelling description including course topics and modules, the duration and format, as well as the target audience and prerequisites. Remember to add a cover image or promotional video as well to make your offering visually appealing. For your digital courses, make sure to upload all relevant materials like videos, PDFs, slides, or any other resources. If your course is live, ensure to provide scheduling links or details on how sessions will be accessed. Organize your content thoughtfully into modules or lessons to facilitate ease of navigation for your students. Enable automatic delivery for downloadable courses so students receive their materials promptly. In setting the course pricing, consider offering different access tiers, like a standard for base content and premium for additional resources or personalized sessions. You might also want to think about providing subscription or one-time payment options. After setting up all this, move on to configuring payment methods via Dashboard, Settings, Accept Payments, enable platforms like PayPal, Stripe, or credit cards, and ensure to test the checkout process thoroughly. Finally, make your course visible on the site. Customize the page layout and design to fit your brand before you preview everything to ensure it's professional and user-friendly. Once you're satisfied, don't forget to promote your course. Use social media, ensure SEO-friendly descriptions, and consider offering early bird discounts or free introductory sessions to attract students. Ensure your content remains high quality and your learning outcomes clear. Regularly update your course to keep it relevant and track its performance using Wix Analytics to engage well with your student community.